Hey y'all, Haley here. We just got a new puppy, so I want to show you that. Come here, Ladybug. You can't run away from me. Come here, Diesel. You know what? I think it's better I have to go Diesel first, and then you. Come here, puppies. Oh, it's gonna take a minute. This is our old one. This is our new one. She's 6 months, he's 5. Oh, they're heavy. Anyways, I have the house to myself for the day. I'm about to make my lunch. And I like to make my own sandwiches because I am very picky on what kind of sandwich I want and what I want on it. That's why I don't go to Subway or Firehouse Subs. They just don't do it right. And they don't have the stuff that I want. They do not have this kind of bread. It's my favorite type of bread. It's healthy bread. So I guess I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich, or how I make my sandwich. So take my 2 pieces of bread, and I go over to my toaster oven. My toaster oven is dirty. Anyways, besides the point. So I'm just going to set my 2 pieces of toast in here, or bread. So then I go to my little knob right here. I don't know if you can see that, but I go to right there. See that half and half mark? Wait, that half and half mark right there? That one. That's where I put my bread nodule to. So I'm just going to wait for that to toast. And yeah. It's done. Ow. Oh, ow, that's hot. So now that I have my 2 pieces of toasted bread on my plate. So this is where I don't like to go to Subway because they don't follow my exact instructions. They don't make it like I do. So I got my mustard on, and I just need to make it like this. I know I like mustard. Ladybug, do not go in there. Then I take my mayo. Get a knife. I don't want to get too much because I don't like mayo that much. And kind of just I don't make a whole scoop, I just kind of dip in it. And then I have this and this. I forgot one more condiment that I need for my sandwich, and that is cheese. So this cheese is B.H. Harvati cheese with dill. looks like this. So I'm going to set it right here on what I'm going on. I'm going to open it, and I want to take one, and you can get this at Publix or Walmart or wherever you get your daily cheeses. I like to take one or two, but since I'm trying to like watch my eating, I'm just going to use one and set it right on the mustard side. So then I take, I'm done with this, I put this back, because you know, I have OCD. Now I'm going to take my deli, Publix sweet ham, which I only eat this kind of ham. I don't like turkey, I don't like all that kind of crap. I only like this ham. So I'm going to take it out, I'm going to set it on my bag. Again, I'm trying to watch what I eat, so I'm just going to take two, this looks more than two, but it is two, and set it right on the mustard side as well. So, and then I'm going to fold this back up. And then I take my lettuce and see, I have this green leaf. You know, I can't like just set it on the center and be like, okay, I'm done. No, I don't like a lot of lettuce, so I break off this half. And I kind of go to rinse it off in the sink, just so it's clean lettuce. And as well as I've set everything else on, I set it on this side. And then I take my mustard once more, and I like to have fun with my creation, and I like mustard, so if you got a problem with it, then don't watch this video, because I use a lot of mustard. So I have my creation of lettuce. So then I'm going to take this and smash it together. And I know this is weird, but I like to take it and chew up all this excess stuff. So it was like a perfect sandwich, sort of. I like to take my mayonnaise knife and wipe it all off, and then I like to make sandwich art. Because, as you probably don't know, I am the sandwich art making master. Sandwich art's my passion. And I'm not like those fancy people who are like, use those fancy cutouts. So then, I have my sandwich art. I'm going to get some tomatoes. Gonna get some tomatoes. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna get one tomato. I'm gonna cut it up. It's not a cutting board, is it? So, oh, that's nasty. I'll take a few other tomatoes. Chop them up into small pieces. And I'm using a sharper knife this time, so be careful if you're gonna copy my sandwich art. I'm going to take the tomatoes in my hand. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm going to set my tomatoes, my chopped up tomatoes here. I'm going to gently place them into the sandwich art that I've made. You know, this will make sense in a minute. This will make perfect sense. So, here we go. I have my heart, my sandwich art. So, you know, since I'm watching my weight, well, this can go in the garbage can because I don't like to eat tomatoes like that. So, since I want to be healthy, I'm gonna get some veggie straws. Oh yeah, they're not in there, are they? They're not in there either. Come on, Mom, where'd you hide the veggie straws? Well, you know what? Thank you guys for watching this video. Unfortunately, I could not find the veggie straws for the final thing of this product. I think I have one more idea. Just stay put. So here's my idea. I'm going to open these big bag of potato chips right here. These are chips. This is air. You see that? We're not a lot in there. I just opened this dang bag. What's up with this chips company? Is that a policy? Ooh. Houston, we have a problem. Houston, we fixed the problem. A clippity clip. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video on how to make a sandwich. I bet you guys in the beginning of this video didn't understand why I don't go to Subway because they don't make a certain type of sandwich. And now you know why, because I make my sandwiches a certain type of way. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I gotta clean up this mess, even though I have the whole day too, but you know, my parents are gonna be back at 4. It's now 2:30. So 2, 3, 4, 2 more hours by myself. So I better get a move on, eat my lunch, then clean up the kitchen, then, you know, do whatever else there is to do. I might have to clean the house a little bit, but you know, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, slap that like button, and it's just you and me. Oh.